Hey guys, welcome back. Making another video here, mostly to show you guys that the internal microphone and webcam on the MacBook Pro, and this probably also goes for the other MacBook models because they have somewhat similar microphones and speakers, is in webcams is good enough for YouTube filming. As you can see, I am recording on the Mac. I don't even know if the aspect ratio is right. This looks like 4:3. You can probably adjust it somewhere. But the video quality on this thing is decent. It's 1080p. And then the mic on the MacBook is also really, really good. So I wanted to make this video to do more of like a video and audio test coming from the MacBook's microphones and webcam, built-in webcam. So this is just to just do an audio sample to show you that you don't really need like an external mic. If you really wanted to do any sort of online content, this is good enough in my opinion. I feel like the speakers and the webcam and the mic on the Mac is good enough for listening back to your video recordings, editing, and recording your audio. I feel like it does a good job adding like on the low end of your voice. It's not tinny at all. It's really, really good. So yeah. And also in this video, I'm going to show what the iPhone mic sounds like as well, because you can connect that to your Mac when you're recording. So let's switch over to an audio sample from that. So let's show that. Okay, and now you're listening to the audio from the iPhone. So if I back up, you should still be able to hear me just fine. So this is just an audio sample of if you wanted to take the audio to the next level, if you wanted to be a little bit farther away from the camera, and you wanted to record directly on an iPhone to use as your microphone, because the iPhone microphone is really good. This is the 15 Pro. So it's a fairly good mic, and you can use this for interviews and stuff like that, but it sounds really, really good, and I don't think there's really a need, if you're on a budget especially, to go out and buy a high-quality not DSLR, XLR microphone, or even an external, dynamic mic. I feel like this is perfectly good enough. It just shows you that the technology has come so far these days, and stuff just like your smartphone and your laptop, you can produce really high quality video and audio quality. So this is just an audio sample of what the iPhone sounds like. Compare this to the MacBook, see what you like best. I feel like if you're getting a Mac, then you probably have a good idea that you want to use this for content creation, because it's kind of designed for that, as opposed to most Windows laptops, from the graphics processing capabilities of the M chips, and the high quality build, and the microphones and the video recording is very good as well. So let me know how this looks and sounds, guys. This is the microphone on the iPhone. Let me know how this looks and sounds. So if you guys enjoy this sort of audio video sample test, definitely have a like on this video, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video by Tech Enthusiast, or Tech with Scott. I say the same thing. But I'll see you guys. Peace out.